The YJ-15 was among the new anti-ship missiles that were revealed during the September 3, 2025, parade in Beijing. China's YJ-15 supersonic anti-ship cruise missile, that was among 4 new major ship-killing missiles revealed during the September 3, 2025, parade in Beijing, was possibly spotted for the first time carried by a J-15T carrier-borne jet. The image, which emerged on February 7, 2025, appears to show 2 of the missiles under the jet's wings. At a first glance, the YJ-15 bears a striking resemblance to the Russian Kh-31 missile, which also has an anti-radiation version usually carried by the Su-35s for operations in Ukraine. The weapon also appears to be a progression of the existing YJ-12 air, ship and ground-launched supersonic ASCM. The YJ-15 has 4 axisymmetric air intakes, suggesting the presence of scramjet or ramjet for supersonic speeds. Surface control consists of 4 long strakes and small stabilizing fins for mid-course adjustments, ahead of a small booster section having its own 4 fins. According to Janes, the size of the body suggests a fuel capacity to support distances of 1,800 kilometers. Interestingly, following the appearance of the J-15T photo, a user shared a 2022 image of a PLF J-16 carrying a YJ-15, suggesting a possible commonality with the PLA Navy for logistical ease and cost-effectiveness. Both weapons have been described as anti-ship systems, since the designation traditionally in the PLA has been associated with maritime strike warship-killing weapons. Notably, the 15's appearance, like the YJ-21Es, came within months of that display. This could suggest the missile has been in service for a while and may have been only captured now for the first time. The new development also upholds the J-15T's role as the PLA Navy's premier carrier-borne fighter, undertaking both air-to-air and air-to-surface roles. The YJ-15 is now possibly the first ship-killing cruise missile that the plan's naval aviation will carry. Thus, with the ship-fired YJ-18 ASCM and YJ-20 aeroballistic-type hypersonic anti-ship ballistic missile, the YJ-15 completes the dyad, giving also carrier aviation and anti-ship capability in a carrier strike group.